Look up tonight. Space weather forecasters are tracking a fast solar eruption that may merge into a cannibal storm. The kind that can shove the Aurora far beyond its usual home. Skies are clear. You could see quiet curtains of green and pink, even at lower latitudes. Step away from city glow, face the darkest horizon, and give your eyes 10 minutes to adjust. The sky rewards patience. While Earth waits for the light show, the other headline is stainless steel and flame. Starship just roared to space again, and fell back through the atmosphere and survived long enough to splash down in the ocean, scorched, battered, but in one piece. That matters. Every time the vehicle endures re-entry and we get it back, even partially, the cost of delivering experiments to orbit edges down. Cheaper launches don't just mean more satellites. They mean more telescopes, more climate instruments, more shots at the big questions. Speaking of big questions, Webb just delivered to jaw-droppers. First, astronomers flagged a few hundred tiny red, hard-to-classify smudges objects, so early and odd they stretch our models of how fast structure can grow. Don't think finished galaxies with neat spiral arms. Think seedlings, compact, energetic, and numerous. Each new candidate is another breadcrumb trail back toward the first luminous structures. Second, Webb stared into a planet nursery and found the gas there drenched in carbon dioxide. Why care about the chemistry of a disk? Because the recipe of a nursery sets the menu for the worlds it bakes. Co at scale tells us about temperature, pressure, and how ice is dust. And gas circulate as baby planets carve lanes and gather mass. It's like reading a cake by sniffing the oven. You learn when the ingredients were added, how hot it's getting, and whether the layers will come out crumbly or smooth. Now connect the dots. A stronger solar storm reminds us the sun is an engine with moods and that our power grids, satellites, and navigation need resilient designs. A reusable mega-rocket hints at a world where launching a new observatory is routine, not rare, and a telescope that can count fledgling objects at the edge of time. And taste the air of a spinning dust disk means we no longer guessing at origins. We re-watching them unfold. If clouds spoil your aurora, make your own cosmic moment. Step outside anyway, breathe the night air, and find one star. That photon crossed staggering distance to meet your eye. The universe is not just out there in news headlines. It's arriving quietly, at the speed of light right now. Follow StellaSense for clear sky briefings you can use, from solar storms to fresh Webb wonders.